to a city that I thought I would never live in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on and do a quick little unboxing of one of my favorite brands that I've been actually purchasing since 2018. Also, a really quick disclaimer, I can't believe that I've been pronouncing it incorrectly this whole time that I've been using this product. I've been calling it Zoom, but it's actually pronounced Zum, so please forgive me for mispronouncing it. You guys, I found out about this brand when I moved to a city that I thought I would never live in. I fell in love with this product. Now they are big time. They are sold in major retail stores like Target, which, by the way, this is where I got my hat recently from, Target. It's giving the nice fall Snoopy vibes. Love it. Anyway, let's do this unboxing. I'm sure you're excited just as much as I am for something that I actually love and that I'm not sponsored by. This is the brand. It's called Zoom. First things first, they threw this in today, the box, and it just kind of gives you a background of Zoom as well as some of their new products, which I'm so excited about. Every time you purchase from Zoom online, they always throw in a complimentary soap bar or two. So they did give me two bars today. And they are, of course, made out of goat's milk. They do not have any parabens or mineral oils or anything bad like that. They are just very nice and they smell divine. So my top favorite fragrance from Zoom is the frankincense and lavender, and that is why I got 3 refills. I do have some in my restroom already, but I'm running low, so I wanted to grab some more. My husband loves that one too. And then we got frankincense and myrrh. That one we sometimes mix with regular lavender. Got 2 regular lavenders and lavender mint, always a good one. And I'm so excited. They got a new scent from the lab. It's called Rose Bergamot or however you say it. Oh my gosh. I love the smell of rose. I think my husband's gonna like that, yeah. I'm so excited that he got that one. Here's an overview of everything that I got online this time. Sometimes you gotta give them a little bit of a shake because as you can see, the oils kind of separate. There's 8 total in this purchase, but let me go show you the other ones that I have. So as you can see, they're like really gone. I have the sea salt. I have a lavender that's also almost gone. I have a lavender and cedar, which my husband actually wears that one a lot. I have frankincense and myrrh again, which as you can see is gone, which is why we bought so many more. And then there's also a eucalyptus. Eucalyptus one is, really nice, especially since we do put eucalyptus in our shower. But yeah, we keep the eucalyptus in the shower. So there's like actual natural eucalyptus in here, and there's like the natural oils, which we can also add, which is nice. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, it's that new, call it new, but we've had it for a few months. It's the Buna shower head, which gives you a double shower head in the shower. We saw sponsored on Instagram and we were like, we gotta try it. Now we have a removable head, which is what we already had. Then we added this, so we have 2 heads in our shower. All right, guys, well, that was it for this little haul. Just wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite items that I actually use more than perfume sometimes. So if anybody ever has questions about how I smell and why I smell so good, it's Zoom. I promise you it's Zoom. It's not Chanel, not Dior. I just love the way it smells. It's clean and Nothing wrong with wearing something that's clean. Also, no hate to designer perfume. I actually love designer perfume. I love to stop by the store and smell them all. I'm actually a big fan of Chanel. Do like a few other designer brands. Just don't wear stuff like that every single day. Just different things. Again, natural and clean ingredients. Zoom, I spray in the house because it's safer as a room spray. It's also safe as a body mist. So it's not technically like a perfume, but it is something that lingers for a while. And so I do appreciate Zoom for being effective in that way. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I'm done rambling. I promise. I just wanted to hop back on and say that my next video is going to be a very fall festive video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.